Hi guys, this is Pawan Kumar. Today I want to say about fractions and decimals. This is related to the classes from 5th to 10th classes. This is very important. Today I want to say about what is fraction and what is decimal and types of fractions and how to add a fraction and how to multiply a fraction and how to divide the fraction and how to subtract the fraction. Now comes to the fraction. What is meant by fraction? The fraction means the number which have written in the form of a by b form. ఏవైనా నెంబర్స్ని ఏ బై బి ఫామ్లో రాస్తే దాన్ని ఫ్రాక్షన్ అని అంటాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1/3, 6/3, 7/3. Here 1/3 is in the form of a by b form, so it is called as fraction. Here 6/3. 6/3 is also in the form of a by b form, so it is also called as fraction. Now comes to the fraction, the number which is above the line, it is called as numerator. The number which is below the line, that means below the division, this is called as denominator. ఏదైతే పైన ఉందో దాన్ని న్యూమరేటర్ అని కాల్ చేస్తాం, అదే కింద ఉన్న దాన్ని డినామినేటర్ అని పిలుస్తాం. హియర్ numerator is 6, denominator is 3. Here numerator is 7, denominator is 3. Now comes to the types of fractions. There are different types of fractions. One is proper fraction, another one is improper fraction, another one is mixed fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is called as proper fraction. ఏదైనా ఒక ఫ్రాక్షన్ తీసుకొని అందులో న్యూమరేటర్ అనేది డినామినేటర్ కంటే చిన్నది ఉంటే దాన్ని ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అని అంటాం. హియర్ 6/12, హియర్ 6 ఈజ్ లెస్ దెన్ ది 12, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. 7/3, 7/13. హియర్ 7 ఈజ్ స్మాలర్ నెంబర్, హియర్ 13 ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్, సో న్యూమరేటర్ ఈజ్ less than the denominator, so it is called as proper fraction. 1/6, here also numerator is less than the denominator, so it is also called as proper fraction. Now comes to the improper. Name it tells us the improper. Means opposite to the proper fraction. Name it tells us improper fraction means im. Im means it is opposite to the proper fraction. That means here numerator is greater than the denominator, reverse to the proper fraction. Here numerator is less than the denominator, but when comes to here numerator is greater than the denominator. That means 7/6. Here 7 is greater than the 6, numerator is greater than the 6, so it is called as improper fraction. ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్ అనేది డినామినేటర్ కంట పెద్దది, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. 9/3, 7/2, 7/2, 9/3, 7/6. These all are called as improper fractions. Now comes to the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means it is in the form of 1 2/3, 6 2/4, 7 3/2. అలా ఈ ఫామ్లో కానీ ఉంటే 1 2/3, 6 2/4, 7 3/2, ఈ ఫామ్లో ఏవైనా నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే దాన్ని మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అని పిలుస్తాం. మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. ఈ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ని ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆర్ ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ కింద చేంజ్ చేయాలంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై 3 into 1 and add that answer to the 2. 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. Here there is 3, so by 3. Now comes to here 4 6 24, 24 plus 2 26, so 26/4. Now comes to here 2 7 are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17/2. This is very important. He gives in the sum as mixed fraction and we have to add them by changing the mixed fraction into proper fraction or improper fraction. This is improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is called as improper fraction. We know that mixed fraction is changes into improper. How to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction? By these. Now comes to the like fractions. Like fractions. Like fraction means the denominator is same in both fractions, then it is called as like fraction. Here 1/2, here 6/2. In these two fractions there is a denominator 2, so it is called as like fraction. ఎప్పుడైతే డినామినేటర్స్ రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నాయో దాన్ని లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అని పిలుస్తాం. నా కమ్స్ టు ది అన్లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. నేమ్ ఇట్ టెల్స్ as unlike. It is the opposite to the like fraction. Name it tells as unlike fraction. 1 by 6, 2 by 9. Here denominator is 6, here denominator is 9. So these are not equal. So these are called as unlike fractions. When numerators are equal, then it is called as like fraction. When numerators are not equal, then it is called as unlike fractions. Now come to the addition of two fractions. Addition of two fractions. This is one fraction and this is another fractions. There is additions, no, we have to put it plus. This is the first method. There is three methods in addition of fractions. This is the first method. Now see the denominators. These two are unlike fractions. So have to multiply the both numbers. 2 into 3, 6. Now do the cross multiplication. 3 into 1. 3 1 are 3. 2 into 2, 4. Here there is positive sign. So have to put positive sign. 3 plus 4, 7 by 6. This is the addition of two fractions when the denominators are not like. ఎప్పుడైతే కింద రెండు ఈక్వల్గా లేవో అప్పుడు ఈ మెథడ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేయాలి. హియర్ 2 and 3 are not equal, so have used this method. Here cross multiplication. 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 2, 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 into 3, 6. By this we can get this addition when the denominators are not like. Now comes to the second method. When the denominators are like fractions. 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Here denominators are equal, so have to put, here 2 7s are there, we have to put 1 7 and add the above the terms as usual. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3 by 7. This is for when the denominators are equal. ఇవైతే ఎప్పుడైతే ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నాయో అప్పుడు ఈ మెథడ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేయాలి. యాజ్ యూజువల్గా పై రెండు ఎడిషన్ చేసి కింద ఒక 7 వేస్తే దాని యొక్క ఎడిషన్ అనేది మనకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. అది ఇప్పుడు కింద రెండు ఫ్రాక్షన్స్, కింద రెండు నెంబర్స్ ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈ మెథడ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సెకండ్ మెథడ్ ఇన్ ఎడిషన్ ఆఫ్ టూ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. అండ్ ది లాస్ట్ మెథడ్, థర్డ్ మెథడ్, దట్ ఈజ్ 2 by 4 plus 2 by 2. Now comes to the denominators. These two are comes in two tables, so have to do for this LCM. 4 2 4 2. These two numbers are came in second table, so how to do the LCM with 2. In two table 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. These two are prime numbers, so we don't have to do LCM again. Now multiply these three numbers. 2 into 2 into 1. 2 into 2, 4 into 1. 4 into 1, 4. This is LCM. We get LCM is 4. So how to put here 4. Now comes to the above fraction here 4. In 4 table we have to want 4. In 4 table 4 1s are 4. Now we have to multiply this multiple to అబౌవ్ ది నెంబర్. 4 పైన ఏ నెంబర్ ఉందో దాంతో ఈ 4 యొక్క మల్టిపుల్ని ఇంటూ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎల్సిఎం 4 వచ్చింది, సో 4 దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాం. 4 టేబుల్లో 4 4 1 4 టేబుల్లో 4 ఎందుకు రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఎల్సిఎం 4 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి. అదే ఇక్కడ 8 వస్తే 4 టేబుల్లో 8 రావాలి, అప్పుడు 4 2 అవుతుంది. 4 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి 4 టేబుల్లో 4 రావాలి. 4 1 4. ఈ 1తోని 4 పైన ఏ నెంబర్ ఉందో దాంతో ఇంటూ చేసాం. 1 into 2 2. హియర్ దెర్ ఈజ్ ఏ పాజిటివ్ సైన్, సో హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ పాజిటివ్ సైన్ హియర్. Now comes to the 2. In 2 table we want 4. 2 2s are 4. We have to multiply this number with 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 plus 4, 6 by 4. 6 4 in cancel in 2 table. 2 3s, 2 2s. So the answer is 3 by 2. This is the very very important method, and this is the confusion method. When the two numbers are came in same table, have to do that for LCM, and we have got 4 LCM as, so have to put 4. Now goes to the here denominator 4. In 4 table we want 4, so 4 1 are 4, so we have to multiply 1 with 2. 1 into 2 2. Now goes to the second denominator 2. 2 table we want 4. 2 2s 4, so have to multiply 2 with above the number. 2 into 2 4. 2 plus 4 6, 6 by 4, here 4 is there means so 4. How to cancel the both the numbers? We get 3 by 2. When he ask change the answer into mixed fraction, then we have to do this thing, 2 divided by 3. దీన్నే ఇలా రాస్తారు. So how to divide the 2 with 3? 2 ones 2, 3 minus 2 1. Now this number is written in the form of 2 1 by 1 into 1 by 2. Here quotient. So how to quotient? Now this is not quotient, divisor. డివిజర్ అనేది డినామినేటర్ ప్లేస్లో వేయాలి, న్యూమరేటర్ ప్లేస్లో రిమైండర్ అనేది వేయాలి, కోషియంట్ అనేది పక్కన వేయాలి. సో ఇది ఈస్ ఇన్ ది ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. We got this answer in mixed fraction. This is the last and final method in addition of two fractions. This is very important. This is the confusing method, so please listen carefully and understand this. Now comes to the decimal. What is meant by decimal? The term decimal means the number which have written in the points, and it is called as decimal. ఏదైనా నంబర్ని పాయింట్స్లో రాయగలిగితే దాన్ని డెసిమల్స్ అంటాం. 2.6432, 9.423, 12.674. We have to read this as 2.6432. We don't read 2.6402. After the points we have to read this as separate 6432. This is the correct pronunciation. How we don't read 2.6432. This is wrong. This is right, 2.6432. This is called as decimal. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ మనకు పాయింట్స్లో ఉంటే దాన్ని డెసిమల్ అని పిలుస్తాం. నా కమ్స్ టు ది మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. 2 by 5 into 6 by 2. This is the multiplication. In multiplication we don't do the LCM or cross multiplication or anything. We multiply the numerators 2 and we multiply the denominators 2. 2 into 6 12, 5 into 2 10. So we got 16 by 10. Now we have to cancel this both the numbers. 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10. So we get 8 by 5. There is a second method also. This 2 and this 2 are cancelled. So we get 6 by 5. This 2 and this 2 are cancelled. 2 6 is 12 here, not 8. 2 6 is 12. So we get 2 6 is 12. So here 6. We got 6 by 8. 6 by 5. Here also we got 6 by 5. When the opposite terms are equal, then we have to cancel these two terms. You don't cancel these two terms. Here 2 by 6 and 7 by 6 is there. You don't cancel these two terms. We have to cancel by opposite of both numbers or opposite of both numbers. So here 2 and 2 are opposite to each other. So we have to cancel these two numbers. We have 2 ones, 2 ones. 6 into 1 6, 5 into 1 5. We got 6 by 5. I don't do this like I am confusing, so then do in this way. 2 into 6 12, 5 into 2 10. So both cancel in 2 table. 2 6 is 12, 2 5 is 10. So we got 6 by 5. This is the fraction multiplication of two fractions. Now comes to the division of two fractions. 2 by 6 is one fraction. Division means divided by 3 by 2. This is another fraction. This is we have write in the form of 2 by 6 whole divided by 3 by 2. When comes to the upside, it multiplies the 2 by 6 and it turns into reciprocal. And how we got in this way, 2 by 6 into 2 by 3. 2 into 2 4, 6 into 3 18. These two numbers cancel in 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. We got 2 by 9 answer. Here we can cancel these two numbers. Why? Because this is opposite to each other and these two are cancelled in 2 table. 2 ones, 2 3s. Then we get 2 into 1 2, 3 into 3 9. In this way we get 2 by 9. In this way also we get 2 by 9. This is the fraction of division of two fractions. This is multiplication of two fractions. This is addition of two fractions when the numerators cancel in same table. when the numerators are cancelled in same table, we have to do the LCM for the two numbers. So have done, we got the LCM 4, so have written here 4. Now goes to the denominator 4, here 4 table, it comes in 4 ones, so have to multiply 1 with 2, 1 into 2, 2. Now comes to the another denominator 2, 2 table we want 4, 2 into 2 means this multiple is divided by multiply by the number 2 outside of this 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 plus 4 6, 6 by 4. So you have to cancel these two numbers. Why? Because these two numbers are cancelled in same table, so we are cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s are. This is very important. This is the basics for all mathematics. I have observed so many students cannot doing this type of sum, so I am explaining today. I think you don't have any doubts about these sums. If you have any doubts, please comment below on this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.